Hello, my name is Natasha. In today's video, I'm going to go over hypotonic, hypertonic, and isotonic solution. Let's begin with hypotonic solution. All right, hypotonic, hypo, all right, the prefix hypo means low, low, below, okay? And hypotonic, all right, the concentration outside the cell is less than the concentration on the inside of the cell. Okay, so inside of the cell, we have a high content of solute, all right, a high concentration of solute. And on the outside of the cell, we have a low concentration of solute. So, therefore, the water molecules, right, is higher on the outside. Okay. So, in the process of osmosis, remember, osmosis is the movement of water from a high water concentration to a low water concentration. So, what's going to happen is that water, all right, water is going to enter the cell, okay, is going to enter the cell. But inside the cell, we already have a high content of solute. So once water enters the cell, all right, what do you think? What do you think is going to happen? It's going to swell up the cells. It might even rupture the cells. Okay, the cells might even rupture. All right, this is in hypotonic. All right, now in hypertonic, all right, hyper means high, above. Okay, so in hypertonic and hypertonic, the solution concentration on the outside of the cell is greater than the concentration on the inside of the cell. Okay, as you can see on the outside of the cell, all right, we have a higher concentration of solute. You see the sodium, all right, you can see them on the outside of the cell, they're all over, all right, and on the inside of the cell, we have less sodium. Okay, so what's going to happen? Water, water is going to leave the cell, all right, to go outside of the cell. Water is going to leave inside of the cell to go outside of the cell. All right. And then, all right, water is going to leave and to go to outside of the cell. And what's going to happen is that once water leaves the cell, the inside of the cell, the cell, the cells, all right, the cell is going to shrink. All right, it's going to shrivel because water is leaving the cell. All right, water is leaving the cell. Okay, and you know that although we have a high content of sodium on the outside of the cell, but sodium cannot pass through the semi-permeable membrane because sodium is a large particles. All right. So remember, the semi-permeable membrane controls what comes in and out of the cell. Because sodium is a large particle, the particles they won't be able to enter the cell. All right. So good thing for osmosis, the water is able to leave the cell and then go outside the cell. All right. So in both cases, hypotonic and hypertonic, we have an electrolyte imbalance. All right. Now in isotonic, all right, in isotonic, the solution concentration outside a cell is the same as the solution concentration on the inside of the cell. Okay? Meaning that there is no electrolyte imbalance. because they are equal. Okay, that's an isotonic. All right, so iso means same, equal. Okay, okay, that's an isotonic solutions. Okay, guys, if you like this video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.